So now let's add our tools. Go to catalog, open your folder, or I already have my tools at favorite. In this tutorial, I'm in need of 3 data. One is Nigeria shapefile. I will drag it and keep it on the surface. The second data I have here is soil type map of the world shapefile. Soil type map of the world shapefile. The second data SDMW, soil type map of the world shapefile. Let's see. Now let's go back to the data you have added so far. Go to your content. You can see different. You can see them. So let's work with world shapefiles, soil map shapefile. This is the digital soil map of the world shapefile. So what I will do is that I will right click, go to attribute table, open the attribute table, then I will select by attribute table. In this ArcGIS Pro, I'll come under new expression. I will click it. Then where field, I will select country. Then is equal to, I will select Nigerian. I'm working here. You can select your country. I use Nigeria as my case study in this digital soil map of the world shapefile. Please, if you are in need of this data, please do it to comment on under the comment section. Drop your mail. Then I will apply and click OK. Okay. Having highlighted this, I'll close the attribute table. Then go back to my table of content. I will right click. Then go data, export future. Okay. I only put the output name. Please do to subscribe, like, and share. Here I have launched it. Now I have created my Nigeria soil type map. This is my shapefile for Nigerian soil map data. So I'll go to symbology. Then under single, I'll select unique value. I'll click on this. Make sure that your field is under S number, S1. Make sure that your field is under S1. Then I will choose the color of my choice. Please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, do it to subscribe, like, and share. Then I will add value. I'll click there to add value. Yes. You can see we have over 178 symbol classes as a Nigerian soil type. There are classes we have, different soil type that we have. 178. But having done this, Nigeria as a whole is not my point of interest. My point of interest is to work in a particular section in this country. and my point of interest is at Borno State. So having done this, I'll go back to Nigerian shapefile admin 1. In this tutorial, I'll connect my folders. I already have the shapefile of this particular area of interest. So I have added my shapefile of my study area. So having done this now, I would like to untick the Nigerian administrative shapefile. So you can see now I will add my soil shapefile of Nigeria. I will follow it. Then I will click on the soil shapefile of Nigeria. I will right click. I'll go and type clip. Go to your search engine, clip by analysis tools. Input feature, I'll put Niger. Then clip feature, I'll put Borno State. You can choose to change your name, or you can leave it like that. Let me run it. You can see you have clipped it. So the next thing for us to do, go to our content, untick the Niger soil type, untick the Niger, leave on the Niger clip. Remember that in Niger soil classification we have 179 classes of symbols. I'll go to symbology. Make sure that your field is under S1. Then I will add field. This is the class you are seeing here is the previous classes we have in Niger. So I will add these new classes of this area, the new classes of this Borno soil type. Click. Add this. You can see we are having 24 symbols classes in a Borno State soil type, because we are working on a particular state. So you can choose your own different color of your choice. Having done this, at this point